Kakadosh Bokeror, we're just continuing with the Berakhot. This is again in the Hefsekim, the different times that you're going to make an interruption and pause in between Kriyat Shema. So yesterday we brought down that when a person is in the middle of the Berakhot of Kriyat Shema or in the middle of Kriyat Shema itself, you're going to answer Ameni Hashem Abba until Yitbarach. The Mishnah Berurah brings that you're actually going to answer until Al-Maya, but again, this is according to the Ashkenazim, but according to Shitat Maran, the Ben Ishchai brings down already that you have to say Yitbarach as well. The reason why is because according to Shitat Shulchan Aruch and Siman Nuvav Siv Gimel, it says you're not allowed to stop between Al-Maya and Yitbarach. So therefore, according to Sfaradim, you will never stop by Al-Maya. If you pay attention, Ashkenazim always say Al-Maya, they stop. We never do that. We always have to go until Yitbarach, and therefore our halacha is you will always have to go until Yitbarach, even in the middle of Kriyat Shema or the Berakhot of Kriyat Shema. Now the next one was to do with the Kiddusha. What was the Kiddusha? Kadosh, 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 and Baruch Kavod Hashem Mekomo. So our dear Dr. Jean-Jacques, he asked me 1 second, but what about Imloch? Why isn't Imloch included? So it's actually very, very interesting that it's brought down that the Malachim, the Rav Pe'alim brings this down, the Ben Ishchai says, the Malachim, when they're going to be Magdishim HaKadosh Baruch Hu, they will only say the Psukim of Kadosh and Baruch. And therefore, what's the biggest proof? The tefillah that we say. For example, in the Kiddusha of Yotzer Or. In the Kiddusha of Yotzer Or, we only say Kadosh, 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 and Baruch Kavod Hashem Mekomo. We do not say Imloch. So why don't we say Imloch? Because that's what the Malachim are saying. The Malachim are only saying, that's also the psak of the Mishnah Berurah. The Mishnah Berurah says that you only say Kadosh, Kadosh, and Baruch Shehezeu Ikar HaKedusha, Velo Imloch. And that's also the psak of the Sfaradim. There is a shita brought down in the Kaf Chaim that you do say the Imloch. We do not hold of that, even though the Rav Pe'alim says that since in the Arizal it could be that you might need to say it, you should have it in mind. Which means when they're saying the Imloch, you just think that you're saying Imloch Hashem Le'olam, right, but you're not actually saying it yourself. And the last thing that we mentioned is that obviously you're not going to say Nakdishach v'Naritzach, right? This is because Nakdishach v'Naritzach, technically, even according to Maran, we don't say it at all. It's only according to the Arizal we say it. Other than Maran, it's only the Shliach Tzibur that says Nakdishach v'Naritzach. Everything else is said, right, by the Shliach Tzibur, not by the Kahal. So therefore, obviously, you're not going to say Nakdishach v'Naritzach. Okay, and then we said you will answer Baruch Hashem Urach Olam V'ed to the Baruch Hu, as we already mentioned above.